If I would say I was sleeping, I would be lying. I was already awake by now because both my babies are early risers. My girl was there playing, so I just decided to rest on the bed, and my son was already awake, so he normally comes to my bed to disturb us before we start the day. It was already 7 o'clock and I had to wake up so that I can start preparing my son ready for school. It was also time for me to start pumping, so I had to prepare breakfast while pumping. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's simply Grace Miria. If you're new on this channel, my name is Grace Miria. I'm a nurse who relocated from Kenya to come and work here in the UK, and I live here with my family. So if you have always been here to support me, thank you so much guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please, if you like this video, remember to like, share and comment. Also remember to subscribe guys. Breakfast was ready, and I asked my son to sit down so that I can serve him, so that you can get ready for school, because it was almost time for them to start reporting to school. So they report at 8:30, so by 8:30 they should be in class. So we leave the house at about 8:20 because from my house I can see the school. I'm very lucky. So I quickly dropped him to school, then I came back and started doing some other things that I was supposed to do. And today we have a very long program. We have to do shopping. Baby is also supposed to go for clinic and to have third vaccination. So we've got a long day with us. So here I was just packing all the foodstuffs, all the leftovers for yesterday, and the sausages, putting them into small containers so that I can put them in the fridge. So guys, today we are going for vaccination. We are just walking since it's not long distance. I'm taking my baby for the third vaccination, and we are here with my mom. Mom, say hi. Hi. So guys, come with us. Because she's having the main B. Okay, ready? Well done. Oh mommy. You are not expecting that. Sorry. I'm sorry. Last one, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. it's raining just from nowhere, and we are just walking. We are done with the vaccinations. The baby cried and cried, so I had to stop filming for a bit, but now she's fine. So we are just walking back home, and I'll see you when you get home. So here I was just giving her some of her medications together with the paracetamol that she was supposed to have, and she was very fussy. She was crying a lot. I was trying my best and doing everything so that she can stay calm and keep quiet, but no, she continued crying until I had to seek for help from my mom. Yeah. Hi guys, so we are finally home. I've just given my baby some paracetamol and some other medication that she's still taking, and she's now with my mom. She's quite a bit settled, although she's quite fussy, and I just need to complete washing the utensils because I had to rush to go to the clinic before it gets late, so I had not finished washing my utensils. Need to finish cleaning all this. These are from yesterday, from morning. And the beans are there. They are cooking. I had soaked them yesterday, so I've just placed the beans to cook. Then I will fry them later on. Yeah, so that's it guys. So just be washing around and doing some laundry that was left from yesterday. If you have ever opened something that you've always wanted for so long and that you are able to buy with your own money, then you know how it feels when you're unboxing it. Now this is just a laptop, it's a laptop. It's a new laptop. I bought it from Amazon. I've been having one laptop, but it spoiled like a few months ago, so now I had to purchase a new nice laptop. We then decided to go for a mini shopping at the supermarket so that we can have our stock for the whole week. Come with us, guys. So after the shopping, we headed back home, and it was now time to go and pick up my son from school. Hi guys, so we are back again. My son is here now from school. He has just had a snack, and now I have this one here on my back. She's been crying and crying because of the vaccines, but she's going to be okay. So we just want to prepare some chapati and beans, so join us in our preparation. So we just cover it for about, how many minutes, mom?
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, then we'll start our cooking. By the way, chapati is it's my favorite food, especially if it's cooked by my mom. I love it. So guys, we just cover it for about 10 minutes, then we will be back to show you the results. Then we'll start cooking our chapatis. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment there, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.